In light of what I've heard today on the news, I looked up the meaning of a knight. There are several meanings, but I like this meaning. A knight of the realm is brave, charitable, honourable and just. A knight exists for the welfare of the poor and downtrodden and the defence of the realm. A knight will protect the weak without thought of compensation. A knight honours his peerage with word and deed. Now, I don't think any of that fits Her Starmer, let alone Sadiq Khan.
Darling, what are you doing?
Well, we've all done it, haven't we? Protecting the foundations. There's a storm coming, isn't there, Kia?